Hi, Annette from the Wool and Needle again. I hope you watched the previous video that talked about applying the cotton base to this, and I did tell you to needle turn, or you can machine sew that however you want to in this area, and then I just straight stitched like behind where the barn was going to be. I wished, hindsight, I would have needle turned the whole thing, because as I lay this on here, I have to be exact to hit those spots. So just a heads up, you may want to just turn under the whole top edge. It'll make it easier for you in the long run. The other thing for this video, I wanted to explain the appli-fuse mat, which we carry. We have a 12 by 12, a 12 by 18, and a 17 by 24, I believe. We love this concept, or this purpose, for doing things like when you need to put multiple layers together. Here's our little snowman under here. So I have already cut out all my parts, which you have your pattern pieces, and you can cut out all your parts. I wanted to show you the back of the snowman. His hat's kind of fun, how I cut a line in it here and then put two little notches in this way, and those lines are on your pattern, but that way it tucks around his head and it secures nicely. And sometimes, like, I'll pull back one piece of the fusible, lay it down, fuse it together. So now that part's already together. Next, I can see, and I did use my diagram for lining it up as I laid this all out. I did the same type of thing with the little scarf. It has a notch in it here, so that when I put it on the snowman, I can tuck it around his head. That little notch will go behind his head. Now he's going to lay down right there. So he's going to be, it kind of shows me how and where to put my parts. And I'm going to lay this little nose on there also. I debated about just using stitching thread, but that's another whole spool of thread for this little nose. So we're going to put a little wool nose on him. And then I use steam with my iron. I hope it steams. Yep. Yeah, it's thinking about it. Just give it a little heat. And then my unit is all together. It's still warm. So now it's ready to come over here when I'm ready to move it. I will do the same thing with the background. I did pin a few of these in place because of my issue with not stitching this whole thing. So I will fuse those in place, do the same thing, and then I can pick the whole element up and bring it over here, put my snowman where he goes, and then fuse them all down to my background, and I'm ready to do all my stitching then. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you have fun stitching.